Haldex Way is our framework for strategy deployment and result-driven improvements for all functions and processes at Haldex. The Haldex Way house is a visualization explaining what the Haldex Way is, how it works, and why we have the Haldex Way. A house in Haldex blue is an appealing symbol for the Haldex community, and its foundation are Haldex's core values: customer first, respect for the individual, and passion for excellence. These shared values make us who we are and is the cultural foundation of Haldex. At the center of the house are our top priorities: safety, quality, and environment. These are the most important priorities to always consider in everything we do, and for all big and small decisions we take in our day-to-day work. For a successful business, additional priorities must also be considered without intervening with our top priorities. In the bridge of the white Haldex H is how we, as individuals who work at Haldex and an organization, behave as bridge builders through our 5 C's: connect, communicate, collaborate, coach, and create. The lighter blue arrow is Haldex strategic direction for product leadership, customer focus, aftermarket expansion, operational excellence, and a bridge building culture. It starts outside of Haldex to capture the voice of the customers and other external stakeholders. It also continues outside as we are aiming further towards our desired state, and we set our targets along the strategic direction as we progress. So Haldex Way doesn't decide Haldex strategic direction. It is a framework for its deployment. The orange ball is our logic for result-driven improvements called radar. It starts with the targeted results or objectives to be achieved, then the approaches for how to achieve them and how they are deployed, assessing the effectiveness of our approaches and the efficiency of their deployment for refinements. The ball is rolled along the strategic direction for purposeful improvements in line with those strategic directions. The purple wedge holding the ball in place is our normal way of working, as defined by our roles and responsibilities, processes, procedures, standards, and methods. To have the wedge in place makes it evident if we deviate from this normal situation as it is defined. Some standards and methods are the same for all of Haldex, and some are specific to certain functions or processes. As we establish new or improved ways of working, we move the wedge along the ball in the strategic direction. This is what makes Haldex Way a framework for result-driven improvements and strategy deployment. That was a brief explanation of what Haldex Way is, how it works, and why we have it. Further information about the Haldex Way is available on the Haldex intranet. Thank you.